Hey you guys, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO, and in this video I'll be showing y'all my updated curly hair routine. So it's been a week since I've done my hair and today is wash day, so I'm going to show you guys the new really easy way that I've been styling my wash and go. First things first, I'm going to start off by shampooing my hair twice with the Mixed Chicks shampoo. I'm mainly focused on cleaning my scalp because that's where most of my buildup is. And then I work that lather down the rest of my hair. After shampooing my hair twice with the Mixed Chicks shampoo, I'm going to jump into deep conditioning, and I'll be using Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. And I just work this mask into my hair with my hands, and then I finger detangle as I go. After I finish putting this mask into my hair, I like to put it up underneath a shower cap for about 30 to 40 minutes while I finish my shower, and then I rinse it out with cold water. To style my wash and goes lately, I've been using the most minimal methods possible. So I try to do methods that take no longer than 30 minutes. So I start off by sectioning my hair off in two, and then re-wetting the section that I'm going to work with some water because it's usually dried out a little bit after my shower. After that, I like to use a leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner that I'm using for this is a DevaCurl styling cream. And this is whenever I detangle my hair, and lately I have not been using a Denman brush. I find that when you use a Denman brush, it makes your curls a little bit more tight and they cause a little bit more shrinkage. So I've been using a regular comb to detangle my hair and define my curls, and I just work the leave-in conditioner through my hair with my hands, and then I get my comb and comb that throughout my hair. After using a leave-in conditioner, which was a DevaCurl style cream, I like to go in with a hair gel to make my hairstyle last throughout the week. So for this, I'll be using the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel, and I'm going to use the same method I did before, which is raking this product through my hair and then combing that throughout it also. So I repeat these steps on the other half of my head, and then I end up finishing this styling part of my wash and go in about 25 minutes total. Now that I'm done putting all the products in my hair, I like to let it air dry for a couple of hours and then come back and finish it off by diffusing my roots. So my hair has been air drying for about 6 hours, and it doesn't have nearly as much shrinkage as it usually would have if I would have used a Denman brush while styling it. So now I'm just going to diffuse my roots. Before I diffuse, I'm going to be using the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Hair Serum, and I'm using this to prevent some of the frizz that I get when I diffuse my hair. To diffuse my hair, it's really simple. My hair is usually already about 90% dry, so I'm just going to get the diffuser head and scrunch it up to my roots that are still a little bit damp, and then separate my curls with my fingers. Then I like to part my hair on both sides because I like to wear it parted to the center on the right and parted on the left throughout the week. So I do that right after styling my hair, and also lay my edges down with my edge toothbrush. And that's all there is to it. That wraps up my updated curly hair wash day routine video, you guys. If y'all liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.